What's up, guys? Pandora, the Postcard Diva here. How's everybody doing out there today? I hope you're having a marvelous day today. If you're here for the first time, do me a favor and smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. Happy Thankful Thursday. We are back here just for a quick update. Alright, if you're here for the first time and you haven't checked out my projects, make sure you go here to www.coffeeandcoins.info, peruse around, see what we got going on. Alright, today is payday with HBA, so just want to do a quick update for you and talk about the program real quick. If you haven't not even considered this program, you definitely want to check it out. It's a 10-year program. It's a residual income based program, not those one-time payment programs, which I absolutely love those as well. But I like to show you guys how you can build residual income also, guys. This is not going to interfere with what you're already doing. All right, residual income is month after month after month, as long as folk continue to stay in the business. All right, and with that being said, let's just look at the FTC disclaimer real quick. FT disclaimer: average affiliates can expect to earn $346 with this business. All right, for full earnings disclosure, make sure you visit income.thehba.net to earn much higher income amounts. It takes work, skill, and commitment. All right, you can learn the skill here. All right, because with all the training and coaching they have and all the tools that you can use, you can actually learn the skill, but then you must apply what you learn, implement it, and be committed to promoting the program. All right, so no income claims, no guarantees, but it's definitely possible to earn commissions here. All right, so let's take a look at what we've got here. So let's go over here. You can check this out at www.residualsystem.com. Get your turnkey system. Zero setup, turnkey. All right, no funnels to set up, any of that stuff. All right, let's check it out. All right, so as you can see right here, we receive an email notification from eWallet, and that is today, 11:03. You can see right here. Let's move this up right here to 11:03, and you see the previous ones as well. I changed my email, so that's why you're only seeing these. So if we flip over to my old email, this is my new email, but my old email, you can see that I'm earning commissions with this residual program. All right, if we look at my old email, as you can see right here, we were earning commissions over here with this email as well. All right, so I'm definitely getting results from the program. All right, so from time to time, I like to just show you guys that you know, it is working and I am getting results. So that's proof in the pudding. All right, so if you're ready to start learning how to earn residual income as an affiliate marketer with the Home Business Academy, with this done for you, very simple system, just go to www.residualsystem.com. You absolutely have nothing to set up. This is what the funnel page is going to look like, where your capture page, the done for you turnkey system, when you go to residualsystem.com. All right, this is the system, guys. Nothing to set up. First time ever that the Home Business Academy has had something like this, because prior to this, and they still have the funnels, okay, for those of you that want to build your own funnels, that's still available, and I still do that as well. But this is for my newbies that say, hey, I don't want to set up anything. I don't want to do anything techy. Do you have a capture page already set up? Do you have the sales page already set up? Can you send those email follow-ups out for me? And connect everything so that I don't have to do a autoresponder myself? That's this right here, okay? The turnkey system, residualsystem.com, all right? It's already set up for you. Once you purchase a product and you go inside, which I'm going to show you, your link is ready to go. All you got to do is watch the training and start promoting, okay? That's how we're earning these commissions, okay? But of course, I'm following the system. All right, so you come in, you go here, right, as an affiliate. You want to get started as affiliate so you can learn how to earn online and receive these commissions month after month after month. Now, what happens here is HBA pays every Thursday. And then remember, when folks sign up, like for an example, if someone signs up today, purchases any products from me, I get paid on Thursday, next Thursday, right? But then if they keep the service, the next month, 30 days from now, I get paid from that same customer again and again and again. You get it? That's residual, okay? So that's what this is. It is a residual income based, okay? Subscription based on folks keeping their membership. Well, why in the world would they want to keep their membership? It's because of the value that we have here. All the tools, all the training, the done for you system, not having to set up anything. You got access to your leads here. You can always download your leads right here. Everything is right here. So when you come in, you purchase a product, you come in this back office, first thing you want to do is watch this video right here. It's 46 minutes. They've made some updates to it. So this is the first place you want to go. That's why it says Affiliate Fast Start Training. Go here, listen, take notes, copious notes, right? And then from there, you come down here where it says your turnkey system is ready. Skip the text, skip the setup. Your capture page is live. You come all the way down here, guys, and your capture page link is right here. It says your custom domain will be right there. Click this copy, start promoting, follow the training. All right, and then we have training over here, right, that you can get started in as well. All right, click live coaching. Come check out everything over here because you're going to get 2 free weeks of the premium membership. So you can jump in on this at 11 a.m. Monday through Friday. All right, the live training over the shoulder. If you miss it, they've got the replays here. Okay, and if you can't make it, you can come here, submit your question, and when they go live on the training, they will answer your question and then email you the minute mark where they answered your question. All right, so you're going to get the training you need here. Interactive question and answer sessions. Get your questions answered live training, latest strategies and techniques, real world success examples, recorded sessions, community support of like-minded entrepreneurs, and you're going to learn from the industry professionals here. Okay, this is what we've got going on here. All right. Simple program, and it doesn't break the bank. Only $35 to get started. $35 to get started, guys. $35. That's what I did. $35 to get started. And I'm going to go over here and show you this. So you definitely want to come right here. And then look, we've got other resources over here as well. Okay. So you definitely want to come in here. See, start here. Affiliate Fast Start. Monday Marketing Mastermind. Plug into these trainings. All right. So what do we have? Real quick. This is where I started with the $35 triple pack. Okay. Because with this, you get the Let's Go app. You get the HBA funnel builder. You can add 7 family members to Let's Go. All right. Where each family member is going to have their own account to log into Let's Go. And it's only going to cost you $10 a month. But you earn $8 from everybody outside here that you refer to over and over and over. The HBA funnel builder, you're paying $25 a month. You're earning $20. You get the 2 free weeks of premium training. That's the training, the coaching. You get access to those AI tools right here. See, once you get the 2-week training, click on premium. You come over here. And look, right here, the premium AI tools. I use these just about every day. The PromptWrite AI, image generator, smart posts, and the email alchemist to help you write emails. All that falls under the premium. You're going to get access to that for 2 weeks. You've got Sage to help you right here. Answer any questions. Click right here. As a prospect, you can get your questions answered. When you become an affiliate, in the affiliate tab, you got Sage right here as an affiliate. It says, welcome. I'm here to help you answer questions about the products, the training, the affiliate program, and support right here. All right. Sage has been trained like a human being. When I tell you to answer your questions, you would think you're talking to a real person. All right. So you've got that assistance as well. All right, you've got access to everything here, but you start with $35, guys. This is the place to be. All right, now what I love also is they got a 3-day money back guarantee, so you have nothing to lose. You spend $35 a day, you're earning 80% commissions, you're in profit after 2 referrals, you got a 3-day money back guarantee. Right here, this program has been around for 10 years, same owner, same comp plan. Okay, solid company with integrity. Try it out for 3 days. Test it. Use the tools, watch the training, see the platform. If it's not for you, it's not everything you thought it was going to be, you get your money back in 3 days. You're going to put 35 in today. No questions, okay, asked, no games, no gimmicks. All right, you're going to come to this page, come down here. Right here is the support email. Just shoot them an email. Say, hey, I tried it, didn't like it, cancel it. No big deal. That's it. All right. But you definitely want to get this solid. I'm seeing so many people that I never would have thought would have come to HBA that's getting in this program now all of a sudden. All right. So this is the place to be. Of course, again, it's not going to interfere because you're going to come over here and you're going to learn. This is the hub of the academy. You can use what you learn here, guys, even if you're in another program. You learn over here and you implement. So not only are you going to be able to use those strategies with HBA to get sales, because people are coming over here for the tools and the training, you're going to be able to use those strategies with your other business opportunity you have as well. All right. So great place to get started. Over 2,000 folks are in this program. All right. So if you're not ready to get started 35, guess what? We got 2 other products you can get. You can get Let's Go for $10 today, or you can get the Funnel Builder for $25. But the best deal is the $35, because if you start promoting this, if someone signs up for that 2-week premium trial with your link, now you're going to be able to earn $100 commissions. So now you're earning $128 per sale. That's what happened with me. I started with the 35. I started promoting it, and now, you know, folks decide, hey, I want that 2-week trial too, and they started promoting it, and then they kept it. And when they get a referral, they make $100 even on a trial. So now you've gone from paying you've turned 35 into 128 per sale. That's powerful, right? Because let me show you this real quick. Again, no income claims or guarantees. I'm just showing you the numbers. This is the numbers. 128 per customer. Right? So this is what will happen, because if they stay, they're going to pay month after month after month, right? So see, for 2 people, you're making $256 and you're pocketing $96. 5 people, you're making $640. You see how this goes? All right? This is how it goes. That's just simple math. All right? So give it a shot. Go to www.residual. Make sure you see my picture here. You've signed up with me. Go to www.residualsystem.com. Get your triple residual starter pack today for $35. That's it. That's all. That's how we earn these commissions. If you have any questions, my info is also in the description of the video. Give me a jingle. I'll be happy to answer any questions you may have. I look forward to you joining the tribe. Again, go check it out at www.residualsystem.com. Get started. That's it. That's all. Thank you for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank ya. On your way out, guys, don't forget to click the subscribe button for me and the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. The next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.